Welcome back to the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the entire world. Today, I have something new to share with you. As the channel grows, I get the opportunity to share with you new innovations to home improvement, home products. This one here happens to be for home cooling. This video is about the latest innovation in window unit air conditioning. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then I'm going to be installing it into this wall here. You're going to want to see how this turns out. It's like nothing you've ever seen, and that's the reason I agreed to make this video. The company is called Idea, and well, let me just get this open. You need to start with a window that operates just like this one. A sliding window side to side won't work with this unit. So here's a close-up of how it works in this standard new home construction vinyl window. Got to set at #1, and you're just going to put it through the window. Just like that. There, perfect. Stuff it. Right. So these foam blocks are meant to be custom cut to fit in your window in this area here. So it's a complete block off and an airtight seal. Goes right in there. I'm not going to put these in right now because this is probably not the window that it's going to be permanently installed in. So yeah, you cut these and put them right in there and it fills this space right here. The next step is you got to screw these things in place. These arms here. I'm going to do that. Show you how that looks. There's a security feature that it comes with. It's just this little angle bracket that you put right there in the corner, and you screw it into your window, and that makes it so your window can't come up and down. Now there is another feature that's a little less permanent, so that you can still open the window, and it's built into the air conditioner. I'll show you that right now. So that right in here, you guys see that? Does it come out? Right there. Here we go, right there. This goes out, catches on this lip here, and then just push it back in, open it out. Nice. And that is on both sides. The best feature of this air conditioning unit is the ability to open and close the window with the air conditioner still in there. This is the window opening bracket that you put right in here like this. I'm going to screw it in and show you how it looks. This has to be in place if you intend to open and close your window while your air conditioner is installed. Now there's one of these brackets for each side of the air conditioner. Kind of a close-up of how that looks. And the same thing on the other side. Here's the energy information if anybody's interested. Those will be highly energy efficient. But it does come with extra foam if you need it. As I'm looking around this install, I don't think you would need it for this specific install. Once those other blocks are put in, it seems like it would be airtight. It's time to plug it in and see how this thing runs, see how quiet it is, and see how it cools. Got lucky. Not often you get 76-degree days in February. Alright, okay. Ooh. That's cool. These move manually. Bumped it down to 60. Smells good. This little flap here goes up and down. What this does is it just moves the air around the room a little more evenly. Now you can connect this to your smartphone, your Alexa, your Google Home, and control it. Hey, turn the air conditioner on, which I think is pretty cool. So there's an app that you can download for your phone to use this thing as well. Have the air conditioner linked up to my phone through my home Wi-Fi. And with this, you can change the modes from cooling to dry. You can just run the fan, or you can set it to auto, or you can turn it off. I'm going to turn it back on. Up here you can see what the temperature is indoors. It says it's 55 degrees in here. Outside is 45 degrees. It's on its highest setting, pushing out the most air that it can, and it's extremely silent. I've got one of these in my house that it vibrates all the time, makes a lot of noise. What do you guys think of this unprecedented U-shaped design? It's on right now. Man, that's nice. This specific unit is a 12,000 BTU air conditioning unit. They have them in 10 and they also have them in 8. It's got great cooling capacity. I will have links in the description if you're interested in this new design where you can open and close your window. Make sure you put your window opening brackets on. Also, if you've got questions, put them in the comments below. Kitchen update videos. Are they coming soon? I think they might be coming soon. Getting close. A massive kitchen update video. So since this isn't my house, I'm just using it to show you how to put this air conditioning unit in. I'm going to show you how easy it is to take it out when you decide to take it out next winter. These little grippers here are for those foam blocks that fill this space in. They just rotate up and out of the way. Come on, you son of a... There we go. Get out of the way! We'll pull out the right side arm. It does come with 2 lengths, so you can put this in a much narrower window because it comes with a shorter one of these. Put this all the way in. Probably an easier way to do this. Doesn't take too bad. These pins. Piece of cake.